Where to find restricted messages on Facebook Messenger. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So you want to, of course, open up Facebook Messenger. And once you have it open, you will see this, of course. Now I'm going to restrict this chat real quick. And now I have restricted it and it will be gone from here. Now, how can you actually find the restricted messages on Facebook Messenger? Well, simply click on the top left, go to privacy and safety, and over here you can see restricted accounts. So simply click on there and it will show up right here. Now that's basically it. This is how you can see all of these restricted accounts, and you want to click on here and you can simply unrestrict it just like that. Now it will be gone from here. You can actually add people that you have in your contact list as well, just like that. But yeah, that's basically it. Now you can go back and the chat is here again. So that's actually all there is to it. I hope it helped you out.